think artists have the responsibility to communicate their vision of whether the beauty is or the culture or the significant social issues, what's important to the specific artist. But I think for me is for where I'm coming from, my experience living in the States and Taiwan, which these two places I still don't feel 100% belongs to in the way that I travel so much. I get forward to my family in Taiwan and here in the United States.
Taipei, Taiwan, which is a small island from China. So I grew up there, received all my formal education there, and then I moved to the United States for a master's degree. So I did all my formal training originally in Taiwan. It's kind of like the roots of my studio practice. I was in Atlanta, Georgia for a couple of years and then moved to Jackson, Mississippi. So all these places that I lived, the landscapes, that kind of influenced me and continue to influence me in my studio practice. And then also color is a central part of my practice. Vibrancy of the colors and inspired by even just like the foliage when you see how the tip of the tree starts to come that valleys and how the vibrancy of the colors appear in some trees and then or some leaves and then it made me stop in the middle of the walk and I was just like so I want to incorporate landscape with colors and how that color can be conflict or confronting or can be uncomfortable yet comfortable or beautiful. So all that mixed experience I want to kind of explore. And I don't know if you guys visit Taiwan before. They use a lot of neon colors. So grow up seeing all those vibrant color in the city. So these are definitely some of my influences.
So art is kind of important for me to kind of convey that
how colors affecting our visions in the day-to-day experience and then culturally as well too. Really, I want to talk about the landscape of Celsius. I'm just really drawn into the landscape of the Pine Barrens. Taiwan is more of a subtropical climate, so the trees are a lot shorter, and the color is more dense and heavy. Taiwan is also an island surrounded by ocean. So, but the shore is so different over there in Taiwan. So the mural was inspired by abstract landscapes, both from where I'm from, where I travel, dedicated to Atlantic City. It's called AC's Land. So my original intent was to combine abstract landscape with a flow of chi and flow of the energy to the city with my intention of cave, islands, and the rock formation that's inspired by nature.
is what I'm currently working on. It combines geometry with abstraction, landscape, tape, and also gradation of colors and color interactions. And that's always a journey. It's always different. Like you'd be surprised. Yeah.